What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. Today we have a very special video. Coen, tell us what's going on.
I don't fun now.
You are stuck now, and we're making a I got my bicycle stuck and I need help video.
Hey, Dad,
Let's roll that intro. To have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
So one dirt bike is clear, but this bike, oh my gosh, did you just lift that up out of there? Oh boy. Wow. Hold on, he's going back through them trenches. Don't get stuck again, Coen. We don't want to get you stuck again. Oh, good job. Yeah, keep going. Woohoo. All right, stand clear. That's how that rug got there. Oh, feel that exhaust.
Feel that just like.
Coen is now free and living the dream. Thanks for tuning in for this mini-series. Have a wonderful day. Smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And we will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you really did enjoy this mini-series. It's Coen's idea. So, here's Coen and his
Comment
video.
down below.
Thank you guys.
Subscribe and like and notifications and peace, boy.